Will Blum make me a millionaire? ChatGPT troll aside, you clicked on this video wondering why there's so much hype about Blum, if it's worth your time, and if it's going to do as well as Notcoin. From what I gathered, this project has massive potential.
Interesting.
But for those of you who don't know what Blum is or what led to this Telegram airdrop chaos, let's have a little recap. All this started after a little birdie named Notcoin decided to create an airdrop on Telegram, where you had to play a tapping game to earn points, and although they repeatedly claimed it was probably nothing, it turned out to be something. Not only did they have a ridiculously successful airdrop, they became the pioneer of Telegram minigame airdrops. Their success led to others trying to ride off the hype it created by making their own Telegram minigames. This led to millions of people joining Telegram.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Making it second in communication, only beaten by WhatsApp.
We don't do that.
But it also led to my Telegram app being assaulted by these. So why are people calling Blum the second Notcoin? Well, it's because it's got huge backing. It's spearheaded by ex-leaders from Binance Labs with a vision to revamp crypto trading. For real, even I had to hop on the train when I saw the top dog backing Blum. For those of you who don't know, many big tokens like BounceBit, Notcoin, and Omni were all backed by Binance. So I'm hot pot committed to Blum. And the topping on the cake, the founders are former top managers of Binance, so there will definitely be big listings and pleasant airdrops.
You serious?
They are also the fourth largest community on Telegram, which shows they have a very strong community.
Nice.
And to all the sweats, tryhards, and pro tappers out there, you don't need to tap. You just claim every 8 hours. And if you log in every day, you'll get 70 Blum points and 7 tickets, which will allow you to play their very annoying game.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
This game is so annoying. But unlike other current Telegram airdrops, I personally enjoy kicking back and claiming every 8 hours. If you feel like it, go down to the description and use my referrals.
Yes, sir.
This is my take on the project, and in no way am I saying you should hop on this. Scratch that.
Do it!
It's free.
Just
What more do you
it!
want? And if it doesn't do well, there's no real L. You just claimed tokens every 8 hours and played a very, very frustrating game. But really, Blum has a lot of potential, and it is a very interesting airdrop. It might even do better than Notcoin, and that's a very hard feat. Thank you for watching my crappy video. I take tips in the form of likes, comments, or subscribes. Or you can be Sigma and do all. Peace.
Hold up.